Let me show you how you can fix it if your CarPlay is not working with iPhone 17 and 17 Pro Max. Let's get started. First, replace your cable. Sometimes your cable charges your phone, but CarPlay also needs a data transfer function on your iPhone. Some cables are low quality, which is why it may not work. Make sure you have an original data transfer cable. Second, go to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it is turned on in your case, tap on Allowed Apps and Features. Scroll down again and make sure CarPlay is turned on there. Third method, go back to the Settings Home, tap on General, then scroll down and tap on VPN and Device Management. And make sure you do not have any VPN connected. If it is connected, simply delete or remove the VPN. Last method, open the Control Center and turn on Airplane Mode. Then turn off Airplane Mode. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.